Welcome to Receptive Solution, your one-stop solution to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. Today we are going to talk about an important news from Canada. Canada has reopened parents and grandparent programs for 2024, but there is a catch. So IRCC has reopened on May 21st PGP program for the applicants who has applied in 2020. IRCC plans to send out 35.7k invitation to potential sponsors with the goal of approving 20.5k application for Canadian permanent residency. So let's figure out who is eligible and what are the steps to follow the entire process. First is to ensure eligibility. So meet all criteria like residing in Canada, providing financial support for the parent or the grandparent, meeting minimum income levels, and commit to provide for 20 years in Canada. Number two is submit interest to sponsor form. So the criteria is actually for applicants who have submitted this form in 2020, and from that pool it has been picked. All the applications will be sent from that pool, and people who have not received the invitation in 2021, 2022 and 2023 are the people who are eligible for 2024 program. Number three is to check for the invitation in their email ID, because they are going to receive the invitation in their email ID with the deadline mentioned to follow, and this is basically will be received within the 2 weeks from 21st of May, and the application will be picked through a PGP lottery system. And last but not the least is number four is once ITA is the invitation to apply has been received in your email ID, you must complete the form with the mentioned deadline as mentioned. This was all about what are the steps to follow to actually be eligible and submit the form for PGP program of 2024. And PGP is a key element of IRCC's family reunification invitation, allowing Canadian citizenship or Canadian residents to actually stay with their parents and grandparents. For all information, do like, subscribe, and do share this video with more and more people who are interested in immigration. So thank you for watching this video.